Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a Shein haul. This is mostly nail art. I did get two shirts. So I got one tank top that is also a razorback. It has a skeleton on it giving a tabby cat a hug. The tabby cat that is on the shirt looks like my sweet baby tiger, and he passed away and I'm still pretty sad and hurt about it. Maybe one day I'll give the traumatic details that went along with that. But for now, I got this shirt. It reminded me of him and I just love him so very much and I miss him very much. So along with being extremely soft, it has a really nice, very strong, thick vinyl image on it. Those type of shirts from Shein in the past, and still have them in my closet now, and as long as you don't dry them, I feel that the graphic holds up. Now the next shirt that I got is a Silent Hill shirt. If you're not new here, you know that I'm also obsessed with Silent Hill. Outside of makeup and nails and all of that stuff, that's another love of mine. All things Silent Hill. The games, the movies, the books, soundtracks, all of it. When I saw that they had Silent Hill shirts on the site, I had to grab one. I chose the one that has like the movie poster type feel to it, and it says Silent Hill and we've been waiting for you, and it has the nurses. Nice large Silent Hill image. Super soft t-shirt as well. Very nice. Overall, I'm extremely happy with my purchases. Same thing with the graphic. It's a thick like vinyl graphic. Don't dry it. The graphic will last so much longer. One more clothing item, a pair of pants, and kind of like test the waters of what size Connor needed, because you can go by the measurements on Shein all you want, but sometimes they will come smaller, sometimes they come true to size, and sometimes they come bigger. So for example, I wear a 1X, sometimes a 2X, and on Shein I get a 4X. I want my shirt to fit comfy, I want it to be longer, and I need it to fit me in the chest. I always have to order a bigger size. So with Connor, he has transitioned from the boys department into the men's department. He's 12 now. Especially with the pants, because he can, all that stuff in the boys section, it will fit him in the waist, but it don't fit him in the legs anymore because he's too tall. So on Shein, they had a bunch of different styles of pants. These are like a sweatpant material. They have cargo pockets. They're in a light gray. I did get them in a size large. They are pretty true in the waist. The length is incredibly long, so I'm gonna have to hem them, and I got them as like a kickstart to school shopping. On another note, I did pick up some earrings. These are incredibly cute, and they are just these little hearts. I do have 3 piercings in my ear, so I just thought this would look really cute together. Now on to the large amount of nail art. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is I got this magnetic pin. I want to do like a water effect, and I saw a lot of people using this pin style magnetic pin to do that. Here's a China glaze magnetic polish. I don't know how well it'll show up on camera. Oh yeah, you can see. So it works like instantly. It's a pretty strong little magnet. I'm very surprised. So very happy so far with that purchase. Cannot wait to try that water effect. I got a magnetic cat eye magnet. You can move this around also, however you want to use it. But it's makes a cat eye. The reviews on these are fantastic, and here is proof. This is Maniology, and I do have a magnetic this magnetic polish on my nails right now, but I'm not finished, so you can't really see the magnetic effect that strong right now. And this is Pearl and Anchor from Maniology, so I'm going to show you on camera. It literally just made cat eye. Like, I'm shocked. And then I wanted a bar magnet. Cannot wait to dive deeper into the magnetic nail polish world. I'm so excited. But yeah, this is a little bar magnet. I cannot believe how strong this magnet is. Instant reaction. So yeah, once again, reviews on this, fantastic. They have lots of different styles of magnets on the website, so that's really exciting. I started digging through my nail art supplies and I want to do more cluster rhinestone kind of designs on my nails, and realized that all my rhinestones are small. I don't know, I just felt that I was lacking in that area, so that's what prompted this. First, I'm going to share these foils with you though. I did get 2 packages of foils, floral prints. There's that print. This one, so pretty. And here's this one, so pretty. Oh, there was another one. Oh, that one. Okay, they were stuck together. Such beautiful floral foils. I cannot wait to use these. This one has got a few different foils in it as well. That one. Oh, okay. Once again. Okay. There's that one. Ooh, look at the rainbow roses. Really beautiful. I love the sunflowers. That's actually why I got this one. So pretty. And I like these because you can really single out the flower that you want to use on your nails. And they have like all different colors in this package here. I believe there was 10 in this one. Beautiful. Out of focus the whole time. I surely hope not. And then I thought these would make for really great like water droplet nails. Love them. I love this container too. But I think that's going to look really awesome on the nails. And it also made me think of like under the sea kind of type deal stuff. So I got these pearls. And I like these because they're different sizes and they have that like iridescent, opalescent kind of thing going on. And I just love them for that. So I was like, okay, I need those. And I also got something else that was ocean themed. And these are like little starfish and stuff. So I believe that pack came with like 30. So I originally wanted this set for this little clam with the pearl in it. And now I am a bit disappointed because I did not notice this sooner. But it literally came with one of those. Anyways, these are like a iridescent, opalescent, AB pink style. And for reference, like, they're not crazy big either. Like, they're gonna fit. So, super excited for these. And they have this beautiful package of different colored roses. There's leaves in here, and there's pearls. Beautiful. So many beautiful roses. They're small too. So that's perfect for my small nails right now. They're so beautiful. Lots of details in them. These are the same concept as the clear rhinestoney beads. But these are in all different kinds of colors, different sizes. They have this beautiful iridescence to them as well. I just really love that they're in multiple different sizes. I love all the beautiful colors. Also picked up these little flowers, all different colors of flowers. They come in a couple different sizes, but that's the biggest one. So cute. And I thought these would be really fun for spring and summer. The colors are really bright and beautiful. I also got these AB crystals. And I wanted these because they are in multiple different sizes. All the items that I got also are flat backs, so they'll sit nicely on the nail. But these are absolutely stunning. This set here also came with a rhinestone pencil, some tweezers. But look how stunningly gorgeous these are. They catch the light so good. Then I got these teardrops. And these are all different colors. So they're kind of like the AB style, but they're also like this multi-dimensional style as well. They shine so many different colors. Like you can really see it in these ones up here. They shine a ton of different colors. They're so stunning and they're very, very eye-catching. So pretty. And then in that same type of finish they are, I got the basic rhinestones. So pretty. I just can't get over how stunning these rhinestones are. Very sparkly. All these beautiful flashing colors. And then they come with tweezers and a rhinestone pencil as well. This was a mega like pack. 40 different rhinestones. These are like the resin ones. They also have that iridescent AB kind of shift. And I like that it has these like multi-dimensional ones as well that shift a lot of different colors that are black. So beautiful. You get like some neutral colors. You get your yellows and your oranges, pinks and reds, purples and blues, greens, and a lot of white and clear. Lots and lots of gems. These are size 3. So excited for these. And then it should come to no surprise that I love turtles. Sea turtles are especially like one of my most favorites. Shein has a bunch of different nail stickers and things like that. And I typically don't buy a lot of nail stickers because I love nail stamping so much. But I wanted these stickers. Look how cute. Oh, the designs are just so incredibly cute. So adorable. And they feel really thin. They're gonna lay really flat down on the nail. And then they had a bunch of like water decals. And I saw that they had turtles. 12 different panels. You get one giant sheet, but 12 panels of different designs. So these are incredibly cute as well. I'm gonna do my best to show them. The green ones are so cute. I mean, they're all cute, but I really love the green ones. See, these are incredibly cute too. The little octopuses in there. So suns and little sunflowers. Those are adorable. I really like these too. Turtles on books. What? Oh my. I love to read as well. Let's see if I can get this last one in frame. And these. So cute. Yeah. And they have like you know, jellyfish, and there's like some seaweed, and there's shells and starfishes and corals and lots of different random things on here as well that you can pair with these. But I love them and I can't wait to use them. They're so adorable. And that is everything I picked up from Shein. I hope you enjoyed the haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Shein items shown in this video. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein links and a playlist.